Hello friends, so welcome to Crypto the One Stop Solution, and in this video we're going to look at how to read, comprehend and analyze the candlestick. So what is a candlestick? So candlestick basics, all the patterns to master before your next trade. So this is the basic pattern of a chart that we can analyze using candlesticks. So what are basically candlesticks? So candlesticks are an effective way to visualize price movement invented by a Japanese rice trader in the year 1700s. Astute reading of candlestick charts may help traders better to understand the market movement. So candlestick pattern is very much helpful to analyze the market movement in the history so that we can predict our trades in the future. Now how to read a candlestick chart pattern. So in this case we have four price points for a single candlestick. We have opening price, we have closing price, we have the high price and we have the low price. So for the opening price, we have the price at the beginning of the period, close price is the price at the end of the period, high is the maximum price achieved during that period, and low is the lowest price of the asset during that period. So for each and every candlestick, for each and every time frame, we have four price points, that is open, close, high and low. So this we need to understand for each and every candlestick. Now let us understand the candlestick basics. In this case, we have basically two types of candle. This is the green candle and this is the red candle. The green candle means the market is moving up, and the red candle is generally market is moving down. And this portion is the body of the candle, and this portion is also the body of the candle. This is a bullish candle, that means the market is moving upwards, and this is a bearish candle because it is red in color, that means the market is moving downwards. This portion is known as the wick of the candle. Again, this is the wick of the candle, this portion is the wick of the candle, and this is the wick of the candle. This is the highest price which is achieved during that particular time frame, and this is the highest price this is achieved during the time frame for both bullish and the bearish candle. Similarly, this is the lowest price which is achieved during that time frame, and this is the lowest price of the asset which is achieved during that particular time frame. So this area from the topmost portion of the body till the highest portion is known as the upper shadow, and this area is the lower shadow of the candle. So in this case, we have the upper shadow, the vertical line between the high of the day and the closing price for both the cases, bullish and the bearish. Real body is the difference between the opening price and closing price. This is shown by colored portion of the candlestick. Here you can see that this is the real body of the candle, this is the green, that is the bullish candle, and this is the red candle which is the bearish candle. And a green body indicates that an asset price moved higher over the day trading, and the red body indicates that the price ended lower than they were at the day opening. And lower shadow is the vertical line between the low of the day and open or close in the case of bullish and the bearish candle respectively. So these are the main four data points which we need to know while we are understanding a single candlestick of any time frame. So how we can interpret the price movement on a candlestick chart. So here you can see that this is the bullish candle, this is the opening price, and this is the closing price. And during that time period, the highest price movement of the asset was at this point, and the lowest price was at this point. So this becomes the opening price, closing price, highest price, and the lowest price. So these four data points are available on the single bullish candlestick. In the same way, this is the opening price for the bearish candle, this is the closing price. This is the highest price during that particular time frame, and this is the lowest price which is achieved during that particular time frame. So in this case, we have two types of candlestick, which is bullish and bearish. Bullish is generally indicated by green in color, and the bearish candlestick is generally indicated by red in color. So when the close is higher than the open, then in this case the candle color will be green, and when the close is lower as compared to the opening price, then the color of the candle will be red or bearish candle. So here I have taken the snapshot of Bitcoin versus USDT pair of one-day chart in Binance exchange. Here you can see that one candle is of 1 day time period, and the current price of Bitcoin is at 21,668 while recording this video, and this is taken from tradingview.com. So here you can see that some chart patterns settings are already applied on this pattern of Bitcoin. So we have body, borders and wick. Body and border are green in color and red in color for bullish and bearish candle respectively, and the wick is shown by white in color. Here you can see that this is the wick portion which is white in color, and the body and the candle is in green for bullish, and the body and the candle itself is red in color for the bearish candle when the market is going down. In both the cases, the wick is shown by white color so that we can have a good appearance of the chart while analyzing our trades. And this is the watch list. Watch list, I've added 3 coins which are Bitcoin, USDT pair on KuCoin.com, Ethereum and Litecoin. So all these 3 crypto pairs are added to the watch list, which are available on KuCoin exchange. And also I've added one stock, that is of TCS, in the watch list section. Okay, now let us look at the real time how we can interpret the price point of any candlestick. So only one candlestick is taken into consideration. So let us consider this particular red candlestick. In this case, the highest price was this, the opening price was this at this point, the closing price was at this point, and during that particular time frame, the lowest price went of the asset was 22,000, so which is at this point. So the highest price which the asset has been achieved during that particular day, that is at $23,451. The opening price was $23,239. The closing price was to $22,959, and the lowest price the Bitcoin has achieved on that particular date was $22,666. So in this case, the closing price is less than the opening price. That's why the candle is in red in color and the market has gone down during that particular day. So this is of 1 day candle. So likewise, we have 4 data points for each and every candlestick, which is available on tradingview.com. Now in this case, we can set up the candlestick chart on multiple time frames. The basic available time frames are 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15, 30, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, 45, and so on. So till likewise, we can have multiple time frames which can be implemented on our chart from 1 second till 12 months. So if we want to have a macroscopic view of the chart, then we can have a higher time frame. And if we want to have a microscopic viewpoint of any chart or the price movement of any chart, then we can have a lower time frame. So if we are intraday trading, then we can have lower time frame. If we are a long-term investor, then we can have a larger time frames. So that's it for this particular video. That's how you can analyze any candlestick on tradingview.com. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.